In this video, I will show you how to run Steam games as an administrator. First, what you need to do is you need to select the game that you want to run as an administrator. I'll just choose Terraria. From in here, you're going to right click on it, Properties. Now once you're in here, you should see all these in the left side. You're going to click on Installed Files. From in here, you can see where you installed the game. I'm going to select Browse. And now it should open up the game folder. From in here, you're going to find the game launcher. This is the one in Terraria. You're going to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility. And from in here, you should see Run this program as an administrator. You're going to click on this, Apply, and OK. Now when you run the game from your Steam folder or from your Steam client, it's going to run the game as an administrator. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching.